Today we're going to discuss about how to get 100% coverage or 100% revenue and impression attribution for your UTM campaigns. Now when we say coverage, it's basically calculating your UTM impressions divided by your ad manager total impressions. If you get 100%, perfect. How do we achieve that? Now, in order for our technology to track 100% of your UTM campaigns and attribute the revenue and impressions to specific medium, source, and all other UTM values you have, you need to manually and proactively add those key values in your DFP or ad manager account. So you go to inventory and key values, and if you have values or new campaigns that's not yet added here, you have to look for the relevant KVP or key. So let's say, for example, you have a new source of traffic that you want to track, and let's say it's Facebook. So you click on this value or key, and then all you need to do is make sure you add the value and say Facebook. So it has to match the exact value that you used in your UTM campaign builder or whatever that value is that you attached or you are attaching to the landing page in the UTM parameters. So if you have other sources like LinkedIn that's not yet added here, you can go ahead and put them in here, then just click on save. So bottom line is, if there are values or new campaigns going on and you need to track them, you have to go here on this section, look for the relevant key in the key value section and add those values accordingly. And that is to allow DFP or ad manager to report on the revenue and the impressions. So here's an example of a KVP or revenue attribution report for UTM campaigns. So how did we set this up? Let's try to click on edit. So you can of course determine whatever date range you need. You can do yesterday if you want to, last 30 days. And if you notice, we have a filter key value and it contains UTM underscore. And then for the dimension, you also have to break it down by key values. Next, you have to report on your metrics depending on what you need. You can do unfilled impressions, total impressions, revenue, CPM, and all other stuff. So once you run them, you get to attribute the revenue and the total impression for each of the UTM campaign. Either it's a medium, a source, or content. It really depends on how you set up your campaign. And for example, let's take this one, UTM medium. So for your Facebook campaign, you can see that you earned a total of $20.86 for that last 7 days. And this is the total impressions. And this is the average CPM. So in order for this report to be 100% complete, that covers 100% of your impressions, again, go to your inventory key values and update your UTM values proactively and manually. Then we'll take care of the rest for you. We will activate UTM tracking and you're able to generate a report for it.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tips. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.